In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook name. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. Open Facebook on your phone, then what you're gonna do is tap on your profile picture, the one you see right here on the bottom right. Once you see this page, go ahead and scroll down a little bit and select Settings and Privacy. Select Settings again, and what you're gonna do is select your account center. This is going to be the very first thing you see right here at the top of your screen. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on Profiles and select the Facebook profile or the Facebook name that you want to change. As you can see right here at the top is where you can change the name. So go ahead and make your changes. Once you change your name, all you have to do is simply select Review Change. Here you're going to have the option to preview how others are going to see your name. You can select the option that you like best, and now all you have to do is to click on Save Changes. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!